Got questions on using Bobbex, the deer and small animal repellent? Here are answers to the questions we're asked most often. Does Bobbex really work? Indeed, it does. Test results prove it. Check out this independent study by the Connecticut Department of Forestry and Horticulture. In a test of 10 leading deer repellents, Bobbex outperformed the others by far, defeating deer 93% of the time. Only a physical fence worked better. Is it guaranteed? Bobbex is backed by a 100% money-back guarantee. What animals does Bobbex protect against? Different products are formulated to work against different garden pests. Deer repellents against deer, rabbit and small animal against rabbits, chipmunks, squirrels, woodchucks, and voles. Goose repellent against geese. Bobbex Rose protects roses against deer and rose-eating insects. What can I use it on? You can spray directly on perennials, annuals, shrubs, and trees. You can protect your bulbs by dipping them when planting. To get a tutorial, click on the Bobbex bulb dip demonstration below. What about edibles? Don't apply Bobbex directly to edibles. While it's totally safe, it does taste terrible and doesn't wash off. That's what makes it so effective as a repellent. You can help protect edibles by spraying Bobbex around the perimeter of the vegetable garden. Bobbex can come in two forms, ready to use and concentrate. If using the concentrate and pump sprayer, you would use different proportions of water and Bobbex depending on the season. For more specific information, click on the seasonal applications link below. When and how often do I need to apply Bobbex? That depends on the season. In spring, you would spray every 2 inches of new plant growth, which is usually every 10 to 14 days. When plants are not in active growth, you can spray every couple months. After Bobbex dries for 6 hours, it will not wash up in the rain or while watering, unlike many other repellents. Continue spraying in the fall and spray evergreens in the winter. Avoid spraying when the temperature is below 35 degrees. During growing season, you can keep both concentrates and ready-to-use bottles on the shelf. But remember to rinse out the bottle head after every use. At the end of the growing season, rinse the entire pump spray bottle you used with the concentrate and let it dry. Bobbex can freeze and it will still be as effective when it thaws, but the freezing may cause the bottle to be misshapen, so it's best to store in an area not prone to freezing. For more garden inspiration and tips, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.